Hello everybody, welcome to MTX. We're currently located at our brand new Greensboro, North Carolina location. We just opened up, but we have a ton of trailers to showcase to you guys. And today what we're looking at is the brand new 2025 BigTex 7x14 14 LP. This trailer has a lot of features at a good, valuable price point. This is the perfect trailer for everything that you need. Your one-stop shop for everything. This trailer was designed with the user in mind. This unit has an 8-inch I-beam frame with integrated tongue and shovel tool storage pan under the bed for easy access. You see the 4-foot tall sides, and its floor length is 14 feet, and its width is 6 feet and 11 inches. Its GVWR is 14,000 pounds, and its payload capacity is 9,640 pounds. Of course, you can see it's operated on a tandem axle, and this trailer is just awesome. Let's go look deeper into this trailer. As you can see here, it's operated on a Demco Easy Latch coupler, the best coupler in the market. And then you can see it's operated on the I-beam frame. And it also has a 12,000 pound manual jack. And behind that is storage. And you can see it's operated on a scissor lift. And it also has a tarp up above. And as we move over to the side, you can see it has an LED light, and it's also on both sides as well. And you got diamond plated fenders, and you also have a spare tire mount. And above that, you can see the stake pockets. And this is a really big, beefy trailer. It can hold a lot. And as you go look inside, you got a lot of space for this dump. And you also got 4 D-rings too. Just look at that, a lot of space. As we pan back, you can see the barn doors, you can see the slide-in ramps, and below that you can see the stabilizer jacks and the LED lights. This is an amazing trailer at an amazing price point. Nobody's quite doing it like us. If you guys are interested in purchasing this trailer, please call or text the number down below or visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. We also offer financing on any and all of our trailers. Again, we're located at our brand new Greensboro location here in North Carolina. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the lot.